Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Fairy Tutor. So before entering into the chapter, so previously we discussed about atomic structure. So this session I am going to teach you about the chemical equilibrium, a small topic, types of reactions. Actually, the reaction means we are very familiar with this. Reactant can use products, right? Reactants can use product, right? So based on this, based on the direction of the reaction, it is classified into two types. One is irreversible reactions. Irreversible reactions. First one, irreversible reaction. Irreversible reaction means the reaction can be carried out in a single direction and it gets completed. So that means here the reactants can use the products, but products cannot use the reactant here. So such type of reactions are called irreversible reactions. So let us see one example here. 2KClO3 gives rise to 2KCl plus 3 volt. 2KCl plus 3 volt. In this reaction, it is carried out only in a single way. The reactants can use the product, but product cannot. So let us see another example. Combustion reactions. Another example, combustion reaction. Combustion reaction example, 2Mg plus O2 gives rise to 2Mg. 2Mg plus O2 gives rise to 2Mg. So this is a single direction reaction, right? Let us see another example, neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Example, an acid we are taking here, HCl, and a base we are taken, NaOH. By reaction between these two, they form a salt and water. Salt and water can be formed. So this is a neutralization reaction. And another one is redox reactions. Redox reactions. Example, 2FeCl3 plus SnCl2 gives rise to SnCl4 plus 2FeCl2. So this reaction is also carried out in a single direction. So this is also an example. And let us see another example here. It is precipitation reaction. Precipitation reactions. So the precipitation reactions also example for the irreversible reactions. So let us see. BaCl2 reacts with H2SO4. BaCl2 reacts with H2SO4. They form BaSO4 plus 2HCl. BaSO4 plus 2HCl. So here BaSO4 is a precipitate. It is represented with a downward arrow. So this is irreversible reactions, examples. So combustion reactions also example for the irreversible reactions, and neutralization reactions, and redox reactions and precipitation reactions. These are all examples for the irreversible reactions, right? And we can see the other type of reaction, that is nothing but reversible reactions. Reversible reactions. Reversible reactions means the reactions can be carried out in both forward and backward directions. That means the reactants can give the product and product also gives reactants. So there are both forward reaction and backward reactions takes place simultaneously. Right? So let us see one example. N2 plus O2 gives rise to 2N. So here the reaction can be carried out in both directions. Reactants gives the product, and based on the same reaction conditions, the products also gives reactants. And at the same time, another example, N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. This is also example for reversible reaction. This is also an example. So here nitrogen and hydrogen combine, they form ammonia, and ammonia also sometimes they can depending upon the reaction conditions, it can be decomposed and it can give the nitrogen and hydrogen, right? So this type of reaction is also called reversible reaction, carried out in both forward and backward directions. And another example, vaporization of water, H2O gives H2O, this is liquid and gives gases. H2O in closed vessel, it is reversible reaction. Closed vessel. If H2O is placed in open vessel, it is not a reversible reaction. It is irreversible reaction. The gas can be evaporated and gas can be escaped from the surface of the vessel. So in open it is irreversible. In closed vessel or closed flask, it is reversible reaction, right? And at the same time, calcium carbonate, CaCO3. So generally by seeing this, it is called as, by seeing this is said to be irreversible reaction actually. But when you are applying, when you are heating the CaCO3 in closed vessel, it can give both forward and backward reactions. So these are the examples for reversible reactions and irreversible reactions. Reversible reactions are carried out in both forward and backward directions, and irreversible reactions can be gives only a single direction reaction. Forward only takes place. So these are the types of reactions. In the next video, we can start with equilibrium and types of equilibrium, law of action of mass. So until, bye.